Here we go again, guys. Now we're working on estimating the length of these hip rafters if this was a hip roof. So let's say this roof has some hips coming this way here and this way here. Once again, same thing here. And then you have your ridge board there. So we're trying to find out how many of these we need, our hip rafters. Okay, so right off the bat, just by looking at the drawing, we know that the quantity is going to equal to 4. And now we want to know what the length is. Like I mentioned the last time with the common, I'm going to basically do the same thing with my hip. So 5 on 12. 5 on 12 works for your common rafters, but since we're doing the hip rafters, this turns into a 17. So now it's 5 on 17. It looks like a 7. Okay, so now plug in the numbers. Number a squared, b squared, c squared, which would be 5 squared plus 17 squared equals c squared. 25 plus 289. And here I will have to use my calculator again. We're saying 25 plus 289 equals 314. The square root of 314 is what we're looking for. So it goes 314 square root 17.72. That is the inches. Divide this by 12. .476 or 1.48. And this is my constant for my hip rafters for a hip roof. So my quantity is 4. The same thing, we're going with the run of 10. So 10 times 1.48 is going to equal the length of our rafter. And on this one, it'll be, just move the decimal place 1 over to the right, it'll be 14.8 feet for our hip rafter. That's basically it.